Dan O'Connor of Hydro Armor Systems, and I'm here to talk about basement waterproofing and structural issues that you might have with your foundation. Now, what am I doing in the middle of a field? This is where it all begins. Many people believe the water comes from your yard, downspout, grading. These might enhance or add to the problem that you have. They're not the cause. Whenever it rains, water does not go down into the earth and disappear forever. The earth has different layers in it. This field has different layers in it. Topsoils, sands, then harder soil. Could be rock, shale, or clay. We're gonna call it clay. Clay is not level, it's pitch. So the water that accumulates in a valley will begin to flow underground. And this is called an artery, capillary, or vein. Some people call it an underground stream. The water is going somewhere. A brook, river, lake, the ocean becomes humidity, goes up into the atmosphere, and then falls down as rain again. The earth recycles her water. When it rains a lot, the water will rise up in rivers and lakes and threaten flooding. It's not just the rain that's falling over the lake, not just the rain that's falling into the river. It's the water that's flowing underground that's feeding these lakes, that's feeding the rivers that cause it to overflow. Imagine your neighborhood as this empty field before anything was built. The builder came along, put in some roads, built some houses. To build a house, he digs a hole, severed the layers, the water would pour out, fall to the bottom, hit that footer, water seeks its own level. It's going to work its way all the way around the house, then build up. Even though the home has been backfilled for 30 or 40 or 50 or 100 years, the earth in here is just a loose soil. This earth has been here since the beginning of time. The water will still come out, will still fall to the bottom, and it will work its way all the way around your house, and it will still build up. So now, not only do you have water, but you have water and mud. The weight of the water and the mud cause lateral pressure, which causes horizontal cracks. In the wintertime, when that water rises up above the frost line, it freezes. When water freezes, it expands. The earth that's been there since the beginning of time is not going anywhere. The foundation will. In this case, there's a lake back here, and that's where all the water is going. If you look around your neighborhood, somewhere nearby, there is a brook, a stream, a river, or a body of water. That's where the water is flowing. And if you have water in your basement, your foundation is in the way. Many people might say, well, we didn't have water for 30 years. Because water has acid in it, it breaks down the tars, it breaks down the original waterproofing, gets inside of the walls, comes out of the walls, gets underneath the floor. Foundation might last for a certain amount of years, then it will get water. Another cause is after a drought. When the clay levels do not get enough water, they dry up. The clays underground crack. The next time it rains, water finds a new path. Water is always changing directions based on times of great water or times of drought. Another cause is somewhere in your neighborhood or somewhere nearby or somewhere off in the distance, somebody built something, disturbed the way the water flowed, and now it's coming to your house.